Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn how to use the important feature. So using this important feature is pretty important because sometimes this is a good way to override any CSS if there's any conflicts. And sometimes you don't even know that there's other CSS that's going to conflict with your code because sometimes you're going to use libraries and there's so much to it that you don't know. So using this important will override any other conflicts you may have in your CSS. You don't want to use it too often. You want to use it as a last resort kind of way to write your code. So in this exercise, we want to use the important keyword to your pink text. So you make your declaration sure that it's 100% pink. So we see here that our H1 has the ID of orange, has the class of pink text, blue text, and a style of inline style of white. So it uses this one so far, but we can and we saw how the inline style overrides the class style, and we saw how the ID overrides the class as well. And the inline overrides the ID, and the ID overrides the class. But we can still make the class styling override the inline styling by using this important. So all we have to do is we see the syntax here. They just had to add this important afterwards. So we just copy this and we paste it here. And we can see now it's pink. And that's it. Thank you.